Horizon Hobby UMX Cessna 182. Blue and white. What? Ian, what did you do to your Cessna?
I painted all the outer white surfaces to yellow from that paint marker or pen, whatever you call it.
Mm-hmm. Looks pretty nice.
Oh yes.
All right.
I guess it'll be easier to see plane now.
Yep, well, you'll know which one's yours.
Yep, that's one thing.
Okay, well, Ian's been at it again, exploring his inner creative side.
Oh yeah.
The artistic Ian.
That's right.
All right, let's get it up in the air. Clear for takeoff.
Yep, I'll be taking off with the safe on.
Okay.
And I guess here we go. Alrighty, I'm about to take off.
And it's gone. Horizon Hobbies, UMX Cessna 182, yellow and blue. Alright. It's flying okay?
Yes, it is.
Is this the first time you've flown it since you painted it?
That is correct.
Okay.
Okay, here goes a loop attempt, I guess.
Loop attempt. I'd say that was successful.
Yep.
Oh man, there's a bit of a breeze blowing and that roll looked like it was just
Hovering
in one spot, rolling around.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
Alright.
And that's safe off already.
Okay,
Doing
good.
that loop and roll there.
Well, that's good.
Let's try touch and go. Okay. About to get greasy right now. See how this can do.
Can you do it?
Touch and go. Okay. Touch and go.
Yeah. Coming in for a landing. Somewhere down there. Wow. I mean, that was an impressive landing.
Oh, yeah.
Considering your touch and go was a little shaky.
Yep. All right.
All right, nice flight, Ian.
Oh, yes, that was a good one there.
All right, we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.